What's up, contractors? Thank you for booking a call with our team. I'm sure you have a ton of questions about what to expect on this call, so I'll make sure to cover that. My name is Kevin. I'm the founder and CEO of STRUCTR, a company that specializes in helping outdoor living contractors create a predictable, trackable, and consistent flow of leads for their business. This all started off when I began to work in construction myself. I got to see how some contractors would either slow down during the slow season and others would take on jobs simply to keep their team busy. Jobs where they wouldn't even profit or jobs where the margins were slim to none. So that led me to build this system, a system that helps you generate high quality leads that actually convert, keeps you away from the phone so that way you're not spending time pre-qualifying people and making sure that they're not just there to waste your time, and give you a trackable way to see exactly what is happening in your business so that way we can make change where change needs to be made. So why should you even listen to me? I'm gonna give you guys a rundown of the most recent contractors we've worked with. Starting off with Carlos. When we began working with him, he was the subcontractor of bigger companies where he was able to only generate 10% margins on the projects that he was able to close. Since working with us, he's been able to generate over $450,000 in total estimate value within 2.5 months of working with us. Not only that, but he was able to increase his margins from 10% per job to 25 to 30% per job. Up next is Jose, who when we started working with him, he was actually working with another agency, which wasn't getting him the results that he wanted. And since we started with him during the winter season, he struggled to believe that we would be able to get him the results during that time. But since then, we've been able to generate him over $350,000 in total estimate value within 3 months of working with him. Lastly is Manuel, who had been able to close big jobs in the past, but he didn't have predictability in the way that he was generating those jobs. So he struggled during times. Within 10 days of working with us, he was able to lock down a $60,000 project, which again, we were able to go shoot. There's better ways of generating job flow for your construction business. What we guarantee you is $300,000 in total estimate value within 3 months of working with us, or you don't pay. And this is a minimum. I look forward to seeing you on that call. Please make sure you make it on time, and we'll talk soon.